way to pick up a Coleman CT100U mini bike. I do have the CT200U, and I also have 3 doodle bugs, one which is not complete, but I always wanted the CT100, and I purchased it yesterday for a great deal, by the way. But unfortunately, the guy who had the key to the lock that the bike was tied into was not working yesterday, and of course I could not get the bike, but he is there today and I will pick it up. You guessed it, I bought it from Wally World. They told me they were going to put a sold sign on it so they wouldn't sell it to someone else, which I hope is the case. Let's see if they follow through with their promise. There she is. So tiny. All right, I have them calling the guy that supposedly has the key. How you doing, sir?
Fine, sir.
You're not George, are you?
No, George. All the way up there to a customer service, George.
Gotcha.
Stuff in there.
Yeah, he has the key to unlock this bike that I purchased yesterday, so.
That's where he is.
So they sent me to customer service because I have to tell them that I'm here for a pickup. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and hopefully George will come out here and unlock my bike. Fun stuff. There's customer service. I was told that George will have the keys to unlock a mini bike that I purchased yesterday. So they told me to come up here.
Is that a manager?
Should be. She is now looking for George. Good old. It's been about 15 minutes. Still no George. Yeah. Oh, Kevin, I guess the co-manager called George because he was the only one who had the key for it.
No.
He even went out there and tried the keys himself. But hey, whichever way, it doesn't matter to me. I just want the bike.
Oh, we're gonna get it for you. I don't care what it takes. We'll get it for you.
That's right. It's the kind of attitude I need. We were even gonna cut it off yesterday, but we didn't have any cutters.
I was trained by the Army to do things the right way.
That's right. Thank you for your service.
Now let's see what the verdict's gonna be.
Let's see.
Then I want to find out who said that key wasn't on his key ring.
That key ring is actually, I believe, maybe different than one they had yesterday.
No, this is the only garnish on the key ring there is.
Yeah, they must have had the wrong one then.
They're bad about losing keys.
I'm glad you do. There you go.
And which one did you get?
This one.
All right. Nope, they don't have a key on here because they got the same room. I know
Oh yeah. That took forever. She is all buckled up. Well, not really. She's just kind of sitting there, but perfect fit. That's why I like mini bikes. It's been fun, y'all. I went back in, got some straps for it. Better safe than sorry. I don't want it to either scratch my car or itself. So put these on for a sec. That should work. Not the best job I've done, but hey, I'll get the job done. Well, looks like my strap job here worked. Didn't fall or anything. Did move around a little bit during the drive, but we made it. Alright guys, so I pulled the minis out. If you're wondering what a Coleman CT100U versus a Doodlebug versus a CT200U comparison in size is, here it is. It's a little smaller than the rest of it. I try to line them up as far as the back wheel together as close as possible, and there it is. Alright, so I moved here probably 3-4 months ago, and they've been sort of sitting. I already haven't had time to ride them. So now that I got them outside, I'm gonna go ahead and take the opportunity to lube up the chains. This particular one is starting to rust up a little bit, and I definitely don't want that. Next, took it for a little ride. Warm her up. Make sure everything's okay. If you guys like 240s, like and subscribe. We'll be working on this one as well.